Cella Ford, creating customers for life.
Come test drive the 2017 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power steering, child safety locks, power brakes, clock, electronic brake force distribution, tachometer, cargo area light, overhead console. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Cella Ford, creating customers for life.